Alright, in this video we are going to see how to create this layout using Elementor along with the responsiveness. As you can see, this is created with Elementor. So the main goal of this video is how to create this borders and this line. Let me get into the tablet version and show you how does it look on tablet and on mobile as well. So let's focus on the mobile. Let me show you for the mobile first. This is how it looks. We can give a more width to it and change the view as well. This is for tablet. Actually, it is not looking perfect. Well, we'll make this perfect while creating this. Cool. So let's create a new section. It is going to be single column. Let the margin be 120 on both sides, on top and bottom. So once this is done, what we need is we need an intersection. Click on this, get into the intersection, drag it and drop it. Change the width of the first column and make this 100% column width, and copy the same thing and do this for the second column as well. Now instead of making this 100, let's get into the intersection and get into the breaking section, breaking bad section, and unit. Let's make this 50% and get into the main column and horizontal align center. Now let's place the image for this main column. Background image, you can have your image. Let me choose the waterfall image as like we have it on the example. Paste this and center, no repeat, size, cover. We need to add padding to this. Or let's add yeah, padding is right. Top and 150 pixel, left and right, sorry, bottom 150 pixel, or you can add 250 or 200. Cool. Now what we can do is we need to paste the content. Let's first have the overlay, enable overlay, and have the color black. And that's cool. If you want, you can add the opacity. Now we need to paste these content, copy this. Let me pause it and do it. And that's done. Let's just include one button and close this. Inside the inner column, we can make this center align, background type. You need to remove the background color. Cool. Or you can try butter button if you want. Fine, the scope of this video is just for the bot. You just need to add the, let's add a margin top to this. - 150 pixel. Well, 70 looks okay. Now select this, get into the pseudo, On the advanced tab, sudo, enable the sudo, click on the type and you will see the border. We need solid on all sides. Let's have 8, and the color is going to be white. I think we need to give sudo. We need to get into the position and give the width. Width looks fine. We want to remove the border bottom, which is 0, 4, 8. Unlink this and make this 0, and reduce the height by getting into the position and size. Well, 20 is okay. And offset left, percentage wise we have given the width of 50, so 20%, not top but on the left. Cool. And slightly bigger offset top, and 15. The same way bottom, that for after, select the border, solid for all sides, let this be 8, and color be white, and just unlink the border width and remove the top to see, get into the position and size. 50 is okay. Height need to be 20%. Top, it should be offset left 25, and top, nothing, we have to remove this. So if you want to increase, we can increase the width. Where is the width? Let's make this 70 or 60. 70 was right. And we need to make the offset left 15. How am I calculating 15? 75 plus 30 is equal to 100. So we need to give both the side 15 15. So that's the reason I have given offset left 15. Do the same for the before, position and size, width 70%, and offset left and right 15%, which will make 100. If you want, you can reduce this content. Cool. Now let's choose this and give margin a bit more, let's say 120. Now have this and get into the sudo section. After or before, it is up to you. Let's keep before, and we need to make the border solid, remove it, and on the left let this be 8, and let the color be white. Now to see those, we have to click on size. Now we need to be at the center, so offset left, calculate this 50 percentage minus 8 pixel, and on top again calculate minus 100 percentage, and you can increase the height if you want, and let the border width be 400. Save this. I hope you got this idea how to do it. You can even add more margin to this, oh sorry, padding to this, and decrease the width of this border. I'm leaving this to you. Let's get into the tablet version. Now it's very straightforward. You have to reduce the padding wherever needed. If you want, you can increase the width of this pseudo element. I have given 70. Now you can give 100% as well. It will make sense. Now let's get into the mobile section. Again, what you can do is, as I said, you can increase the size of the pseudo element. Unit 80%. I'm leaving this to you. Again, it's up to you how to place the width, how to give size to the pseudo element for the border. It's all with the width which you are giving according to your screen size. So to save the time, I'm leaving this to you. I hope you got the idea. In case if you don't know how to add this, feel free to add the comment. I'll help you.